The first of its kind Jaintia Hills Winter Music Festival held at Yalong kickstart today with an objective to showcase international, domestic and local artists and celebrate cultural exchange. This festival was organized by the District Tourism Department in collaboration with the Yalong Tourist Village. Sutanga Saipung MLA Santa Mary Shilla inaugurated the festival today. The Jaintia Hills Winter Music Festival is set to captivate audience in December 28 and 29, 2023, with the theme Harmony Across Borders. In the 2 days, international headliners J Sol, the acclaimed British artist, will grace the stage. Local and national artists from Shillong and across India will also showcase their talent and contemporary sounds.
Kau tuai kipai kani ngawa kani kabadan kani ki artis wan keleng men kilo kijo kamu posti ne ile kohe ya un live men kon gikti ko hiu kesen na unity kani ka program yopi umango success kubi umango men ka ni achong yalong.